I'm picking it up, bring it, and then I'm gonna be turning it sideways, okay? All right, hey guys, so I'm gonna teach you real quick how to blow dry the top of your hair. Now listen, I just washed it, conditioned it, and I put a little bit of my curl cream, you know, the Davines Curl Building Serum, and left it. And I put a little in this time because I don't want it real curly. And then I'm gonna teach you how to blow dry the top of your hair. How long my hair got. And listen, my hair definitely got so long from taking those Hair Plus vitamins. Trust me when I tell you, I've been taking them now for a long time. I would say a good, and then in 2 months of that, I took Force Factor. But I just love the way my hair is from the Hair Plus. So I have an Amazon link. You could click the link below, and if you want to get them, but you got to do it for at least 6 months to a year. So my hair has been now, how long I've been taking them? Probably, I want to say definitely a year. But man, is my hair thicker than ever. I haven't permed it either, so of course it's so much healthier. But let me just teach you. So basically, I want you to think of it like this: a train track. You're taking the first section right back here because this is the hardest part, and I like it full right here more. I like this back part full, this crown, and then I like this kind of like up over and just a little volume. So that first one right there, you take that, dry it. Trickle down. The next one. Use the back shot to pull it off and make it stay. Now I'm going to turn this one. Okay, my part is there. I'm taking this and I'm turning it a little bit. Keep blow drying it. Keep blow drying it. Keep blow drying it until it's dry. Now I want my bang. Everybody always asks me about my bang, so I'm picking it up, bring it, and then I'm going to be turning it sideways, okay? And don't waste too much time on those bangs, just a little. And then, all right, so I like to connect these little ends, just a little. So I'm just going to grab those little ends. Now I'm going to twist that brush. And then let go. I'll do the next one. Twist that brush. So that way it blends with my curl. I like that. That looks good. And then I'm just going to do this side the same. And then it's good. And I could take this piece. Sometimes I take this piece and I make it go back, which I'm gonna, to show you. Take this piece. Use your fingers as a helper. I'm twisting it. I'm just gonna like give it a little bit root, get the root. Get that root inside. Alright, so this is what I love. Let me just show you. I love that these pieces can blend with the curl. You know what I'm saying? See how easy that was? It took 5 minutes, did my top, but I first put everything in it and let it dry naturally. And then you do this part. You can curl this a little bit more if you want, but I just like to let it go and like it to be like more natural and fun and docile. So that's about it, guys. This is Coach Kimmy. Do a blow dry in 5 minutes. Have a great day. Mwah.